Ciao, we are here with Marisa Vitali, or Vitali in Italian. She's screening her film Into the Dark this morning at 11 a.m. Ciao Marisa, so nice to see you.
So good to see you too.
So tell me about the film and the plan you have for the film.
Oh, of course, yes. We are so excited. This is our world premiere at the Soho International Film Festival, and the film Into the Dark is being directed by Benjamin Berger. So we are just thrilled to be able to share it this morning.
So why do you think festivals for your film are so important?
Oh, I think it's really the way to have people to be able to see your work, to connect with other filmmakers, to be a part of the filmmaking community. It's really a wonderful experience to be able to be in that community of people.
So what's the next screening and what's the next project for your film, Into the Dark?
Well, we're here at the Soho International Film Festival, and we have a lot of film festivals lined up coming your way, so stay tuned. And myself, I'm also producing the feature Carbon, which we will be shooting this fall, and that is written and produced and acted by Claire McClanahan. So we are so excited to bring Carbon out into the world as well. So
that's exciting.
We are women and we make movies.
Yes, we do. Grazie. Thank you so much. Congratulations and break a leg on everything.
Thank you so much.
We are here with Marisa Vitali, Soho Film Festival. Ciao.
Ciao.